Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video on a Lexus gx460 in case anyone else needs help with this. It's the HVAC. It goes into into fault mode, and it'll like press it, the light will show and nothing will come on, and then it'll turn off, all that jargon. But basically mine wasn't doing driver heat and it was stuck on cold, and I could get some heat out of the other vents, but primarily the whole lot was coming out cold. So it actually turned out to be this servo here, and rather than actually replace it, they've got dielectric grease on the back of the gear, and the grease gets old, so I was able to pop that off, disconnect it, pull it out, then the plastic on it, both cases, just pop off, clean it well, put new dielectric grease on it, and you put 12 volt to the motor each way. It'll spin either way, and it seems to have fixed the problem. It knows where it is. So on those gears, basically it just gets grease built up, and then it can't tell where the servo is actually in position, and it sends the fault code. So if yours is doing no heat on the driver's side, it'll be this one. And they don't sell just that servo, or you can buy just that servo, but Toyota wants to replace that whole side with 2 servos and the actual actuator plus a servo. And if yours is doing what mine did and no heat on the drivers, basically it's going to be this valve here, and you pull apart and clean it yourself. So if there's one screw here, pop out that one, then this vent just pulls back, you pop out that one, and then you can get up to this quite easily. The hardest part was getting my fingers around the back of that there to pop these 2 gears on. But if you can see that gear, when you go to hot, which I'll do now. So I'm going to hot, the gears go up, and going back down to cold, and the gears come back down. So if yours isn't doing that, it'll be that servo. And yeah, the hardest part was popping that back into the back part of the plastic, but I was able to get my finger up behind it and pop it on after I'd put the servo back on. And then to get this off, actually, you undo one screw at the bottom, one at the top, and then I just got a flat head, twisted it, and it just pops out. So hope this helps someone, because I couldn't find any information on this, and Lexus wanted $5,000 to fix it. So good luck.